Hey guys, just picked up the ScanGuage II, got it installed, figured out a good spot for it you guys might like. I've seen a lot of guys putting them in here, or Velcro here, but then you'll have cables hanging around and drilling holes. But if you have an aftermarket stereo, you got this cubby hole, and it just fits in here pretty snug. It's not going to bounce around. I haven't fastened it at all. It's just snug fit, and I can pull it out if I need to. Just trim down this piece here, cut a hole in the back of it. I can pull the cable out. It goes back in, snug fit. If you need to take it out, just unplug it with your stereo. I just used a like a Dremel cutting blade and trim that down. Same thing with the hole back there. I guess you could use anything. A little saw, it'd take you a while, but took me about 15 minutes. Trim that down. I didn't have to cut any part of my dash, just this plastic piece here, up here, here, and the back, and it just fits right up against this. Well, let me know what you guys think. Like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.